1. Earth is the only known planet to support life. In APOS, as the only planet where water exists in all three states: solid, liquid, gas, and has an atmosphere rich in oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. 2. 70% of Earth is covered by water. Oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers dominate the surface, but more than 80% of the ocean remains unmapped and unexplored, hiding countless species and geological formations. 3. Earth's inner core is as hot as the surface of the sun. The inner core, made mostly of iron and nickel, reaches around 6,000 Celsius, 10,800 F. It remains solid due to immense pressure, despite the extreme heat. For Earth's magnetic field protects life, generated by the movement of molten iron in the outer core. This magnetic shield deflects harmful solar wind and cosmic radiation, making life on the surface possible. 5. Earth isn't a perfect sphere. Due to its rotation, Earth bulges at the equator and flattens at the poles. The equatorial diameter is about 43 kilometers 27 miles, larger than the pole-to-pole diameter. 6. The atmosphere is vast, but most mass is close to Earth. The atmosphere stretches about 10,000 kilometers, 6,000 to 100 miles, but nearly all the air we breathe is within the lowest 50 kilometers, mainly in the troposphere. 7. Earth is constantly spinning and speeding through space. It rotates once every 24 hours at 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,040 miles per hour, at the equator, and orbits the sun at about 107,000 kilometers, 66,600 miles per hour. 8. Chimborazo is the farthest point from Earth's center. Although Mount Everest is higher above sea level, Earth's bulge at the equator means Chimborazo in Ecuador is actually farther from the center of the Earth. 9. The Amazon is the Nquo, lungs of the Earth. Nquo. This massive rainforest absorbs CO and produces oxygen. It spans 5.5 million square kilometers to 0.1 million square miles and houses 10% of known species. 10. Earth has one moon, but at an APOS S unique. The moon stabilizes Earth and APOS S tilt and climate, and its formation likely came from a colossal impact with a Mars-sized object for 0.5 billion years ago. 11. Mariana Trench is the ocean's deepest point. Located in the western Pacific, it's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The pressure is over 1,000 times greater than sea level. 12. Earthquakes can alter the planet's spin. Major quakes, like the 2011 Japan earthquake, shifted Earth's mass and slightly shortened the length of a day by microseconds and moved the axis by centimeters. 13. Earth didn't always have oxygen in the air. About 2.4 billion years ago, cyanobacteria began photosynthesizing, leading to the Great Oxygenation Event, which made complex life possible. 14. Deserts cover a third of land, including Antarctica. A desert is defined by low precipitation, not heat. Antarctica, despite its ice, is one of the driest places on Earth. 15. Underground aquifers store most usable freshwater. These natural underground reservoirs hold water filtered through rock and soil, often purer than surface water and crucial for agriculture and cities.